Christmas is coming, and you are probably looking for disposable swimming diapers. Luckily for you, we are here to help. Here are the best choices we think you should consider. And the best part? We already collected them for you. All you need to do is click this link below, choose your favorite, and start your countdown for Christmas. Number 1. Enjoy worry-free water fun with Huggies Little Swimmers. The number 1 best-selling swim diaper, Little Swimmers are designed for water use, by Huggies. Number 2, the number 1 best-selling swim diaper, Little Swimmers are designed for water use. They're made with unique material that won't swell in water. And they have easy open, reclosable side tabs for an adjustable fit and quick changes, another great product by Huggies. Number 3, in addition, they have stretchy sides for comfort and leak guards to help prevent messy accidents. Perfect for backyard fun, pool time or beach vacations. Little Swimmers swimming diapers are available in size 3 16 to 26 pound, size 4 24 to 34 pound and size 5 to 6 over 32 pounds. Christmas 2018 is almost here. Click this link below for more great offers and ideas. Get yours now.